Let's check out the absolutely amazing DT-M2 smartwatch. By the way, DT actually sent me over the smartwatch to check it out. Also in the description I'll include special discount links that you can follow to get this watch for the cheapest price possible. Over here I have the pink version essentially, but you can also get in silver and also with a white strap, and also can get them in a metal strap variant as well. So if you basically want something even more fancier, again the same price basically on all of them. So let's check it out. So inside the box we get our watch. By the way, I have already used it for some time. I just tried to repackage basically as best I could back. Okay, so also inside the box we get our magnetic charger here. By the way, this watch also has got 4 GB of internal storage, so we can also use this charger to connect to a PC to transfer our music to this watch and listen through the earphones, or yeah, basically all the speakers as well. And also we get quite extensive manual here, so in pretty much any language as well. So let's go the watch. Okay, and when it comes to build quality, I think this looks absolutely superb for this price. So again, I have the pink golden version here, but you can also obviously get in the silver one as well. We have all the sensors on the back. Again, this is full metal, so this is like full metal body here, and like a glass for the sensors here. And also we have very nice metal scroll wheel here as well. And this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. So it's actually definitely a very small watch indeed. So it's not bulky at all, and also the strap is actually fairly decent. On this watch we also have raise wrist wake function as well if you enable it. When it comes to the overall look, I think this watch looks very smart indeed. So yeah, definitely looks very high-end. And also the screen brightness on this watch is also very decent. So in a very bright conditions, see this AMOLED display looks absolutely awesome. We can also use a scroll wheel to change different watch face, but also we can lock out this function as well. So basically we can disable this, like the scrolling feature. We even can like upload video watch face as well on this watch. So yeah, looks absolutely awesome. Again, for this price, to get this kind of display quality and build quality, I think that's absolutely insane. Okay. And also we have fairly decent metal buckle here on the strap as well. And also the straps feel actually fairly pleasant to the touch as well. For this price, yeah, you can't really tell that this is actually like a budget watch. Definitely feels actually very decent indeed. Okay, and let's check out everything we get on this watch. First, if I swipe down, you see I can quickly manage my quick settings here. For example, I can also quickly pair basically earphones as well to this watch. So absolutely awesome. And also I can quickly configure settings here. And obviously the scroll wheel works in pretty much any like menu. And also we even get always on display as well on this watch. So for example, we can choose different styles for the always on display. For example, let's set this one, and then let's go back and check. So yep, as you see, also a very nice always on display. Okay, then if I swipe up, I can get access to my notifications, maybe like email, WhatsApp, SMS, or whatever you might have. If I swipe like this, I can launch basically these various things here. For example, I can quickly check my weather here. You can also see just how insanely nice the software actually looks like on this watch. Okay, also for example, we can quickly check out basically all like the activity for today, active calories, like step count, for example, distance, and like also like history for the exercise as well. So again, also we can track sleep as well with this watch, so if you care about that stuff. Okay, and also recently launched apps, and also if we click over here on all apps, we can also open all the apps we have basically on this watch here. And if we click here at the end, I can also enable this feature here. So I have my apps in this view. Let's see just how nice the system actually looks like and performs. Okay, let's switch back. And then if I basically scroll like this, so see I can launch these various tiles here. And yep, we even have internal storage on this watch as well. So we get 4 GB of storage. So we can actually load like crazy amount of different songs here. And yeah, we have speaker and microphone as well, obviously, on this watch. And also you can add basically more of these things here. So like sleep tile, like blood oxygen tile, assistant, and also like phone calls, for example. So you can quickly basically call directly from your contact lists, or also like okay, so let's go back. Okay, as you see this dialer, so we can pretty much call someone directly. Of course, this watch doesn't have like internal SIM card, so it simply plays the call through your phone, so you have to have your phone in range. Also, if someone calls you, you will also receive a call basically on this watch. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Okay, and let's check out basically all the apps we have on this watch. So we have the calls, also we can find basically our phone remotely as well. If you have lost your phone, we have the heart rate here. So you can see current heart rate, also the resting, and basically like history as well. Obviously you need to wear your watch. Also maybe let's compare basically to this oximeter. And also we can record blood oxygen here as well with this watch. Okay, so let's compare. So you see in the green I have my heart rate here, so 91, so 92. You see basically as I'm talking I'm getting more excited and it should climb basically. So you see 94, 96, 99. So yeah, basically you see how it actually climbs on both devices. So you see it's actually like pretty spot on. So like 99 here, 98. So yeah, it appears also the heart rate performance actually is for such price actually very decent indeed. Also let's quickly compare the blood oxygen. As you see I have 95 basically in this yellow. As you see it's still kind of measuring, so 95, 96, it's jumping around a bit till it settles essentially, but as you see pretty much very similar as well on both devices as well. Okay, so let's check out more. So weather calendar. Also, yep, we can even listen to music here. So if I go over here in the music mode, I can select basically to play the music from my internal storage or the phone. So I have already uploaded basically some music here, so I can basically play here. So as you heard, also the speaker quality is actually very decent on this watch as well. Also we can even check some photos on the watch itself. So we can simply connect to a PC or phone and upload basically these pictures. So also we can actually upload videos. Let's see just how insanely nice the display quality actually is over here. So yeah, for this price that's actually kind of impressive. So again, this is AMOLED display. And then yeah, also let's see also viewing angle. So yeah, actually looks very impressive indeed. Okay, so more colorful here. Yeah, definitely the display is actually kind of cool on this watch. We have voice recorder, timer. Either you can basically select from these quick presets or also set like a custom timer here as well. So and the timer is able to run in the background as well. So see if I go back and enter back, so the timer is still obviously running. So on other watches, yeah, you probably wouldn't believe, but actually on a lot of these cheap watches, the timer and stopwatch isn't able to run in the background. So yeah, actually very good system on this watch indeed. Calculator here. And obviously also exercise tracking as well we get on this watch. Obviously this watch doesn't have internal GPS, so if you want to track like GPS activity, you will simply have to have your phone in range and you'll be able to do it. So as you see, we can also like select from the different categories these workouts. When it comes to the amount, probably like something like over 100. So you see we have basically categorized it. Okay. You see we have pretty much for everything here. Even water sports. Yep. So let's maybe start something. So I'll show you what it looks like. So the screen obviously will depend on which exercise you start. You'll see your heart rate. Obviously you have to vary it. So all the intervals here, speed, like average heart rate, probably like, yeah. And also we can control our music here as well in this screen. So you can also play music while you are exercising essentially. And then we can like end it here as well. Okay, also it says it has got NFC, but this is just for some NFC like access cards, I guess. So it doesn't have NFC payments, so it's simply not supported really at this price. Can't blame them. Also, yeah, like history, and we have the cycle tracking here as well. So I probably won't be able to explain about this stuff. Stopwatch, also different styles for the stopwatch here. Multiple arms that we can set. Control or camera. Wallet. So again, this is only some Chinese like payment system. So again, if you are in Europe or States, again, so you won't be able to use this stuff. So that's pretty much useless. Also video, yep, we can also like load videos as well on this watch, which is absolutely crazy. Messages, like this, like meditation and breathing exercise, if you care about that stuff. Flashlight, it essentially illuminates the whole screen. And yeah, the brightness definitely is actually very decent on this watch here. Assistant even, so these, yeah. Settings, I think I'll already show you the settings. Yeah, also we have games here as well, Snake, Flappy Bird, some random games here. Okay. And also we can load even like additional apps as well. So we have this app market. So in this app market, okay, so you see you can even download WhatsApp, but again, this only works if you have connected your watch to Android phone. With iPhones it won't work. Also you can download even Google Maps here, ChatGPT, also like BBC News, so, and bunch more things here. So let me show you some of them. First maybe let's start with a map. So yep, we literally have maps at this price. That's absolutely insane. When it comes to negatives, however, the maps actually take quite a long time to load. So yep, we literally even have maps as well on this watch. So you can easily see what's around you and also find some places. So let's see how long it takes to actually load. Let's see. So it simply connects to your phone and downloads basically through the phone. If you click here, you can also like search for like places around you. So either enter here or select basically some categories. So yeah, literally even maps, absolutely insane. Okay, let's go back. Also, we have, for example, ChatGPT here as well, so we can ask basically some questions. But of course, we have to have our phone in range, so it doesn't have like data on its own. When it comes to this news, I find it's actually a bit limited. So you see, for example, if we click basically on any news articles, it simply like gives a brief overview. But if you want to read more, you have to actually go on their website. So I wish this was actually a bit better. But again, so it's still actually like kind of cool that we even have like news. Yeah. Okay, what's this? So yeah, just some like brief basically for the news. So you see just how insanely advanced this watch actually is. And also let's check out our phone app. So you see, for example, you can see your history here for the step count for the day, week, and also months, like exercise records, weight, sleep tracking here, heart rate, oxygen history, also this woman's health. Also, we have even like training plans in this app as well that we can follow essentially to get fit. So again, these are some videos that we can essentially follow. And if you wear the watch, it will also track basically your vitals as well. So to get this stuff at this price, absolutely insane. Again, this is completely free, like compared to other, like maybe like expensive smartwatch or like the bands. Some of them actually charge money for stuff, but again, this is like free, so absolutely awesome here. So we can also manage basically the settings on the watch here. So for example, we can change the like watch face here as well. So you see we have like different categories for the watch face that we can basically upload to the watch, and also we can configure various settings here. Also make sure to go over here in the notifications and select which apps you want to send over the notifications wallet. So again, this is not really for you. So again, this is for some China, I guess. Video transfer images, and also we can enable the continuous heart rate monitoring here as well, and also tilt to wake, so the raise wrist wake function as well, and also your profile here as well. So also the app also appears actually fairly decent on this watch. So, and overall, is this DTM2 actually worth it, and should you maybe get this watch? Well, yep, I think for its price, I think this watch is absolutely insane what we're getting. So lately we have like top slime build quality, also very decent straps, and also basically when it comes to software performance, I think this is like absolutely stunning watch. So not only it's very smooth, but also basically all the features we get in this watch I think are really next level. So yeah, for the price, I think it's absolutely insane. And yeah, we literally even get maps as well in this watch, sleep tracking, so pretty much everything you need. And again, if you want to get this watch for the cheapest possible price, simply check out those special discount links in the description. They will lead you to the DT official store where you can pick up this watch basically with even extra discount. Anyway, good luck.